Stealing in broad daylight just got harder. Just ask the alleged car burglar caught by a police drone in Santa Monica. The arrest only happened thanks to a drone surveillance program the Santa Monica Police Department first launched in late 2021. The drone observed the suspect use a screwdriver and another tool to punch open a lock on a vehicle before climbing inside for about 2 minutes. After the drone operator called for officers to arrive, the suspect was seen once again breaking into another vehicle, this time a truck. The operator was able to guide the officers to the suspect's exact location. The suspect was arrested on the spot for those stolen items and other theft crimes. Santa Monica's police drone program, officially known as the Drone as a First Responder Initiative, has netted results like catching a home burglar, finding a man who assaulted a 73-year-old woman, but obviously the program has been controversial given the Orwellian vibes that come with having surveillance drones hovering overhead. The ACLU said in a statement last year, widespread police use of drones would be a major change with implications foreseeable and not. It's important that we don't sleepwalk into a world of widespread aerial surveillance, that communities think very carefully about whether they want drone surveillance, and if they decide to permit some operations, put in place safeguards that will prevent those operations from expanding. Now, are we heading into a future where drones will be able to arrest suspects themselves? One Republican congressman is very eager to put tasers on drones. One thing is for sure, the future is on its way.